In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Google Sites and verify your site ownership effortlessly. If you're looking to establish your online presence or manage your existing websites effectively, Google Sites offers a user-friendly web tool that's perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. Whether you're creating a personal portfolio, a project hub, or a collaborative platform for your team, understanding how to manage these sites is crucial. So let's dive in and look at how you can navigate this process smoothly. First, you'll want to head over to Google Sites. You can easily do this by searching for Google Sites in your preferred web browser, or if you want to save some time, simply type the URL directly into your address bar. Once you're on the official Google Sites page, you'll be presented with a variety of options. You can either choose to create a new site from scratch using one of their many templates or access and edit an existing site. Now, let's say you've already got your site up and running and you need to verify its ownership. This step is essential for ensuring that you have full control over your site's settings and analytics. What you'll need to do is go to Google Search Console. This tool is a must-have for anyone serious about understanding their site's traffic and how it performs in search results. Once you're on the Search Console page, you'll want to look for the option to verify ownership. The process is actually quite straightforward. Google provides a set of instructions for you to follow, and you'll need to make sure you're logged into the correct Google account that matches the ownership information of your site. To begin the verification, click on the Verify button. This step might require some patience, as Google needs to check the code or file linked to your site for verification purposes. If you run into any issues, double-check that all conditions specified by Google are met. Once verification is complete, you should see a confirmation notification. Click Done, and you finalize this crucial step. Remember, confirming your ownership not only gives you full access to vital site analytics, but also enables you to make necessary SEO improvements. It's important to understand that this process not only confirms your ownership, but also helps secure your content and enhances your site's credibility in visitors' eyes. Plus, having access to the Search Console allows you to monitor site performance, fix errors, and improve visibility, all of which are crucial for growing your online presence. That wraps up today's guide on verifying your Google site ownership. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.